Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download, install and use the best TV shows app. So open your browser and type Showbox. Click on the first link, Showbox app download. Scroll down, here you can see Showbox APK download. Click on it. Click on this button, download showbox.apk. The download has been started. By using this app, you can watch TV shows online or you can download the episodes. And I want to clear something, guys. This video is just for educational purpose. I would suggest that you would not use this information in a wrong way. Okay, use it just for educational purpose. So after that, install this Showbox app, open it. Here you can see the option TV shows. Here is the list of the TV shows. You can search for any TV shows you like. Click on the TV show and here you can see the seasons and the episodes here. Click on the episode you want to watch online or download. Here you can see the watch now option and download option. So if you click on watch now, it will show you the options for video player you have installed. If you have seen my previous video of the best video downloading app, Videoder, so here you can see the first option, download with Videoder. So by using that Videoder app, you can download these videos from here. And if you want to download the episode instead of watching it online, click on this download button. Just wait. Click on this download button and here you can see the options. If you click on any option, the video added to download list. Oops, these ads are pretty annoying. So here you can see the downloads. The video is now downloading. You cancel it right now because I don't want to download it. So again guys, this video is downloaded by torrents, I think. So I would recommend that you would watch this online instead of downloading it, because uh, as I said, this video is just for educational purpose. So guys, in this way you can watch any of the TV show you like online, and the latest videos are also available on this app as soon as they get released. So thank you guys for watching.